Let's make aloo pulao. Add a cup of oil to a hot pan and let the oil crackle. Once the oil is hot, add the sliced onion. Fry the onion until golden brown. When the onion turns brown, add a cup of water to the golden onions to bring out its color and then mix it well. After the color of the onions comes out, add cumin, cloves, bay leaves, black pepper, cinnamon stick, black cardamom and star anise. After adding all the hot spices, mix it well. Mix until the spice starts releasing aroma. Then add salt, red chili powder and a turmeric powder. Then add sliced ginger in it and mix it well. Then add 3 medium-sized potatoes sliced and mix it well. After mixing, add green chilies and then add 2 sliced tomatoes. Then add 2.5 glasses of water in it. Then cover and cook until water boiling. When the water starts boil, add 1 kg of soaked rice in it. Cover and cook until water is absorbed on high flame. After the water of rice dries up, let it simmer for 5 to 10 minutes. At low flame until the rice are cooked properly. Add green coriander for pleasant aroma. Then mix, serve and enjoy! So guys, if you enjoy my videos, so please like and subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz! Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are all well. So today I am going to make Degi style chicken pulao from my mother's recipe. So let's cook. Take a pan and add oil in it. When the oil is hot, add sliced onions and keep stirring and stir fry. When the onion changes color after roasting, then add chopped garlic and keep stirring until the garlic smells good. Fry both until golden, then stir and add chicken and keep stirring. After stirring, add ginger, sliced tomatoes, green chilies, red chili powder, salt, chili flakes, turmeric powder, and whole spices like black cardamom, cloves, bay leaves, cumin seeds, star anise, cinnamon stick, and a black pepper. So stir well until all spices are well combined. So cook chicken in its water and then add yogurt. Then stir very well and cook until all the water dries up. Then cover and cook until the meat is tender and stir again. Now after that, add water to it and stir it. Cover and cook until water starts boiling. When the water starts to boil, then add the soaked rice and stir well. After that, the water starts boiling again. Cover and cook till the water dries up completely or it remains slightly moist. So stir again and cover with the cloth to remove the remaining moisture so that all the moisture is removed and the rice is cooked very well. Mix lightly and then serve and enjoy. So guys, if you enjoy my videos, so please like and subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum my all viewers. I hope you are all well and may Allah keep you well all. So today the recipe we are going to prepare is achari chana pulao or a pickled chickpeas pulao, which we will make in traditional Degi style. So let's make it. First of all, take a deep pan and then add ghee or a clarified butter to the pan and then add onions. Then fry it very well and keep mixing until the onion turns brown in color and then add the water of boiled chickpeas to it. After adding water, mix it very well again so that the cooking process is slow down or the color of the onions comes out. And then at the same time add tomato slices, green chilies, ginger, bay leaves, black pepper corns, star anise, black cardamoms, cinnamon sticks, cloves and a cumin seed and then mix it very well so that all the ingredients are well combined. Then add salt, red chili powder, turmeric powder or a chili flakes and then mix it very well. And then add boiled chickpeas in it and mix it very well again. After mixing for a minute, then add 4 cups of remaining boiled chickpeas water and then cover and cook until water starts boiling. As soon as the water starts boiling, then remove the lid and mix it well. And then add 1 kg of soaked rice in it and then mix it very well and cover and cook until the water dries up. When the rice cooks little or if some moisture remains, then remove the lid and then mix well. And keep drying the remaining moisture. Then mix it well again and then add 2 spoons of pickle on the top and also sprinkle the pinch of yellow food color or a zarda color. Then cover again with the damp cloth or put it on a low flame for about 5 minutes or until it's done. So then remove the lid after 5 minutes. So then stir again with very light hands. So then you can serve and enjoy with mint raita and raita of your choice. So guys, if you enjoy my recipe and enjoy my videos, so please like and subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum my all viewers. I hope you are all well and may Allah keep you well. Also today the recipe I am going to make is Pakistani Sindhi biryani with potatoes in an easy way in my style. So let's make it. First of all, put water in a pot and then add salt in it and let it boil well. Then as soon as the water boils, then add soaked rice in it and then let it boil. When it is cooked 90%, then strain it and keep aside. On the other side, add oil in a frying pan and heat it well and then add sliced onion and fry until it turns golden brown. Then take it out on a plate and keep it aside for later. Now take a bowl on the other side and then add washed chicken in it along with garlic, ginger, aloo bukhara or a dried plum, fried onion, yogurt or a curd, salt, red chili powder, turmeric powder and then mix it well. When all the spices are well mixed, then keep it aside for about 2 hours to marinate. Here I am using half of the fried onions now and will use the other half for later. Now take another teapot and then add the remaining oil of the onion in it along with black cardamom, cinnamon sticks, bay leaves, star anise, cloves, black pepper, cumin seeds and then mix and keep stirring until the spices are well fragrant. As soon as the whole spices cooks well, then add the marinated chicken and then keep stirring well. As soon as the chicken starts cooking, then add potato cubes and mix well and keep it for cooking. As soon as the meat and potatoes are cooked and their water dries up, then they are transferred into a bowl. Now on the other side, first put a layer of a rice in the same pan in which chicken was cooked and spread evenly. Now put a layer of cooked chicken on the top of the other layer of rice and spread it well. Now place the green chilies on the top of the chicken. And then at the same time sprinkle the biryani spice. Remember to add half of the biryani spice first and then add the rest on the second layer. Now add another layer of boiled rice and spread evenly again. Then again add the second layer of cooked chicken as before. Then sprinkle the biryani spice well on the top of the chicken again. Add all the biryani spices at this point. Now put the third or a final layer of rice on the top of it and also add sliced tomatoes, sliced lemon, chopped coriander leaves, whole mint leaves, and also add the remaining fried onion. And then also sprinkle some yellow food color or a zarda color on the top. Also add few drops of kyoda water and then drizzle some oil. Then cover and simmer for about 5 minutes on a low flame until the rice are cooked well. So serve and enjoy with any kind of salad and any mint raita. So guys, if you enjoy my recipe and enjoy my videos, so please like and subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum my all viewers, I hope you are all well and may Allah keep you well all. So today the recipe I am going to make is exciting and unique vegetable pulao in my style with desi Chinese touch. So let's make it. First of all, put oil in a pan and heat it well. As soon as the oil is hot, then add garlic paste and then keep frying well until the color of the garlic changes. As soon as the color of the garlic is golden brown, so then add onions to it and then fry it well. So fry the onions until they become soft but do not change its color. And then add 1 chicken cube in it and dissolve it well. As soon as the chicken cube dissolves, then add ginger and mix it well. And after that add fresh peas and saute well for about 2 to 3 minutes and fry the peas until they are 20% done. Then add whole green chilies and then add julienne sliced carrot and fry well. And then add whole spices like black peppercorns, black cardamoms, star anise, bay leaves, cinnamon sticks and cloves. And then mix it very well for about 2 minutes or until well fragrant. And then add chili flakes, red chili powder and then add salt and then mix it very well until all the spices are well combined. And then add sliced tomatoes and julienne sliced potatoes and mix it very well and then add cumin seeds and capsicum to it and mix it well again. And fry it well for about 2 to 3 minutes or until all the ingredients are well combined. At this point, add water and stir it very well and then cover and cook until water starts boiling. As soon as the water starts boiling and then add the soaked rice to it and then give it to a good mix and then cover and cook again for about 4 to 5 minutes or until the water dries up and rice are cooked little. When all water dries up or if little moisture remains, then stir again and then cover and cook until all the moisture dries up and rice are cooked properly. Then take it out in a plate and garnish it with fresh onion chives. So serve and enjoy. So guys, if you enjoy my recipe and enjoy my video, so please like and subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum my all viewers, I hope you are all well and may Allah keep you well all. So today the recipe I am going to make is aloo matar gajar pulao or a potatoes, peas and a carrot pulao in a very simple way and in my style. So let's make it. First of all, take a deep pot and then put oil in a pan and heat it well. And then add sliced onions and fry it well until it turns golden brown. And then add little water to bring out the color of the onions and then add julienne sliced ginger and then add all the hot spices like bay leaves, black cardamoms, cloves, star anise, cinnamon sticks, black peppercorns, cumin seeds and then add sliced tomatoes, whole green chilies and mix it well for about 5 minutes so that it smells good. Then add salt, red chili powder, turmeric powder and a chili flakes and mix it well so that all the spices are well combined. Then add fresh peas, you can also use frozen peas and then mix it well so that they become soft and then add potatoes in it and mix it well. Then after mixing for about 4 to 5 minutes and then add carrots and mix it well and stir fry well for about 5 to 8 minutes and then add 2 glasses of water and cover it and cook it till it boils. As soon as the water boils, then add the soaked rice and mix it well and then cover and cook on a low flame for about 5 to 10 minutes or until all the water dries up and the rice are cooked properly. Then stir it with very light hands, so take it out in a serving platter and also serve it with any raita of your choice. So serve and enjoy. So guys, if you enjoy my recipe and enjoy my videos, so please like and subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum my all viewers. I hope you are all well and may Allah keep you well all. So today the recipe I am going to make is simple and exciting recipe of matar pulao or a peas pulao. So let's make it. First of all, take a deep pot, then add oil and then heat it well, and then add sliced onions and then fry it well until golden brown. When onion changes its color and then add water, stir well until color of the onions comes out. Then add julienne sliced ginger. Then add all the whole spices like black peppercorns, black cardamoms, star anise, cinnamon sticks, bay leaves, cloves and cumin seeds. Then keep stirring it very well until well fragrant. Then add sliced tomatoes and keep stirring it well for about 2 minutes and then add green chilies and then add fresh peas. You can also use frozen peas as well. Stir well again for a minute and then add salt, red chili powder, turmeric powder and a chili flakes and keep stirring well for about 5 minutes or until all the ingredients are well combined. Then add water and then cover and cook until water starts boiling and then add 1 kg of soaked rice and stir it very well until well mixed. When water starts boiling again, then cover again and cook well until all the water dries up completely and rice are cooked properly. Now mix again with very light hands and now cover again and steam cook for about 5 minutes at a low flame. Now stir again and now take it out in a serving platter. Now you can serve it with any raita or a salad if you like. So serve and enjoy. So guys, if you enjoy my recipe and enjoy my videos, so please like and subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz.